Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
Facelift Without Surgery by Wendy Wilken Review. Facelift Without Surgery by Wendy Wilken Review is the most effective and best facial gymnastics exercise program for quickly and safely looking younger and regaining your life force, vitality and overall energy. The easy-to-implement method teaches you about facial aerobics. These are designed to open the energy lines that course through your bodies. These lines, or meridians, become blocked with ages. The Chinese call it Qi and the Japanese call it Qi, representing your life force. The theory that Facelift Without Surgery works on is that, if we stimulate specific points in the neck and face, the meridians open wider and the Qi can flow through naturally. All the cells and tissue that have been starved of vital energy will once again be revitalized. Therefore, the levels of elastin in the skin increase. And your complexion becomes brighter and nicer because you nourish your skin cells. By continuing the program, the skin starts to regenerate, once again becoming supple and firm. The step-by-step, done-for-you program inside Wendy Wilken's Facelift Without Surgery Guide works equally for both men and women of all ages, without any ineffective drugs and pointless creams or expensive surgery cost. Examples of techniques and concepts taught in the course: how to get rid of all sorts of wrinkles on the face and neck, forehead lines, eye wrinkles and crow's feet, smile and laugh folds, nasal lines, fine lines around the mouth and lips, neck wrinkles and creases. Easy facial yoga routines to tighten and lift sagging face and neck skin. How to cure unsightly bags under the eyes, dark eye circles and raccoon rings. The use of yoga facial workouts to resculpture and sharpen the features of your face and neck for a new and better looking. How to relax and de-stress while massaging the acupressure points for better results. How to harness the body's natural energy and channel it to certain areas in the head, face, and neck to halt and reverse aging symptoms and cell degeneration. Trips to fast-forward the benefits of facelift exercises that will help shed year off your appearance and revitalize the complexion with new color and glow. Foods and skincare products are best to boost face aerobics regimens. Also learn the do's and don'ts for the skin, and much, much more.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.